Hi everyone, this is Miss Randy here from the Vortex as part of our Teen Crafternoon series. Today I'm going to show you how to make bubble prints. This is a project we found in one of our online resources called Creative Bug. It's a really simple but fun project that makes unique art pieces. So let me tell you what you need to get started. So for our bubble prints, let me show you an example. This is a bubble print. So what we need is some type of paper. Like in our other projects, you'll probably need something that has a heavier kind of, like our other projects, you're going to need a heavier stock of paper. I'm going to be using mixed media paper and cardstock today. You could probably also try this with regular printer paper as well. You're also going to need dish soap. You're going to need food coloring, a straw, something to stir with, so I'm just going to use a plastic knife again. You're going to need a few cups, and you're also going to need water. Also, you'll probably need some type of measuring tool as well. So let's get started. Alright, so first to begin, I'm going to take a plain cup and I'm going to add dish soap to the cup. So Creative Bug's instructor says to use about a tablespoon of dish soap. So I only have a half a tablespoon, so I'm going to use 2 of these and add it to my cup here. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to put my dish soap to the side and I'm going to grab some food coloring. So this is liquid food coloring that I'm using. So they recommend adding 10 to 12 drops. And I would say it's good to start with 10 to 12 drops, and then if you need to add more, of course you can. So I'm going to put 12 drops of blue into the dish soap. Alright. So then the next thing that we need to do is add water. So you can kind of guesstimate how much you need. I'm going to say about that much. And then I'm going to use my plastic knife to kind of just stir this solution up a little bit. So once you have it mixed, here comes the fun part. So what you want to do then is take your straw, put it in the solution, and remember, every single time you want to put the same end of the straw in the solution. You don't want to be drinking this. So you're going to blow into the straw. You don't want to inhale, you want to exhale into the cup and blow some bubbles until you get like a nice crown of bubbles on top of your cup. Then what you want to do is I'm going to use cardstock first. I'm just going to take a small piece of cardstock here and I am going to press it down on top of my tower of bubbles. And I'm going to lift it up and I need to do it again. So let's try one more time. Alright. Let's try one more time. Ooh. Here we go. So you get all those fun little patterns. You get all those fun little patterns where the bubbles have popped. Let's try it one more time. Let's add some more. Fun. Okay, so we used blue on this one. I have a few other colors mixed up. I have some purple and some green. So let's add a second color to our piece of cardstock here. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to blow into the cup, and we're going to get that tower of bubbles on top of the cup. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to press the paper down. Let's add a few more drops of color into that one, just to see if we can get the color a little deeper. So then I'm going to stir it up a little bit more. The straw in the cup and then exhale. Ooh. All right. How fun is that? All right. So let's try our mixed media paper. This time we'll use green. So green is a lighter color in comparison to our purple and blue. So you might need to put more drops of food coloring than you would for the darker colors. So we're just going to exhale into the cup. Nice crown of bubbles. Just kind of pop those a little bit. And you can see we have a fun pattern there. So that's basically it. That's all you have to do. So you're just blowing bubbles and creating these fun art prints, something that you can put on your fridge. I was also thinking you could possibly frame them. They would look really nice in frames as well. You can see, because the paper is getting wet, that there is a bit of crinkling there. So if you do experience that, you could put it in between two heavy books and try to straighten the paper out. Of course, framing it would probably also help straighten that out. And so this is a fun, like I said, fun, simple project that you can do with your family if you wanted to, and have a good time with that. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you do decide to do this at home, you can share it with us on our website at fountaindale.org/crafternoons, or you can also share it on social media using the hashtag FountaindaleLib. For more programs like this and more Crafternoon videos, you can visit our website at fountaindale.org/events. Thanks.